Guys, how are you? Very good morning. And I think everything in your life is on the right way. And today video is very important and it's a critical thought which you must know about this topic. So topic it is just randomly I made this topic because when you randomly speak you have to think and then after you speak. But if you want to improve your English fluency, then you must uh, talk about randomly. So today topic is very important. So once again welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Ashok and you are watching English education with Ashok. So today I am going to tell you about adaptation. So what is adaptation? And you all of you know about adaptation. Adaptation is just like a way where you change your situation according to the condition, according to your environment. So if you want to learn English, just adapt the thing whatever is going on the scenario. I am going to tell you about the example. Through example, you can better understand than you must know about the things. So I was talking about adaptation. So just I am giving for your instance that water. Water is good example of adaptation. As you know that water has no shape. When you pour it into the glass and then after you see the shape of water become glass size, and if you pour into another bowl, then you just see that the shape of water, and if you pour into the river it flows up go and there is no shape. Like that you don't complain about we don't have environment, we don't have a perfect place to speak English, we don't have any friend with whom I communicate, but only you have way, just you improve yourself and you adapt yourself. There is no any place according to you, my dear listener. As you know that it's very important, so don't try to complain against your situation. I don't have good vocabulary, I don't have a good environment, that's why I'm unable to speak English. You will have to make the environment if you want to improve English. So that's why this is the example of water. Another example, one who do not adapt the situation, just like Nokia. Now Nokia has, there is if you want to go and buy the Nokia mobile, so in the market there is no mobile of Nokia. Why? Because of not adapt the situation, not adapt the marketing. That's why they fade away into the market and you are unable to find this type of. So if you want to survive yourself, if you want to good job, then you have to only one way to adapt the situation and change the situation, because everywhere is problem and problems are the parts of our life, and you can't escape from problem. Apart from another thing which you must know, so I was talking about you must know about the problem. So problem is just like our parts. There are some people who has problem that they don't have sufficient money, sufficient financial, they have financial problem, financial criteria. That's why they unable to buy or purchase anything from market. Another thing, that you want to speak fluent in speaker and you want to improve your communication skill, then you must create yourself that there is no any clue that which you imposed the situation. And another thing which big I can say to you that you always think that you don't have a good vocabulary. So whatever around you, in your home, in your room, you just write down, you notate and jot down the words, and you try to make sentence. Just like I am trying to tell you, if you have a TB, then you can say about TB something about the matter of TB, that I have a TB, and it is very very good TV. The screen of TV is very nice. Another example which I want to tell you, that if you have knife, and you can say that knife is very useful thing. If you are doing the right thing, and right with the help of knife you can cut vegetables, but knowingly and unknowingly you misuse it, it become danger. Just like another example which I want to tell you, that you have mobile, and you can say something more than 10 sentences, 15 sentences about mobile. So mobile is the source of communication, and it is not only mobile right now, because the time has been changed and there are lots of features in mobile. So if you have mobile, then you can say about something mobile, because mobile is very very important article today. So there are so many features, just like messaging, short video, YouTube, Facebook, and calculator, and there are so many things, and you can say about mobile this way. And another thing, that whenever you want to communicate with the other person, and with the help of mobile you communicate and you talk with your friends, with your relationship with anywhere else. So this is the scenario where you can change according to your situation. Another point which you must know, that there are lots of friends, lots of daily routines which you do, and as you know that lots of person who are working in office, in job, and they can do like different types of work, and when you come back from your office and job, and you mention in diary, and if you unable to make the sentence, then you google it, because mobile has a google, and google has lots of features. With the help of that feature you can make sentence, you can write down the words which you don't know. When you repeat these words again and again, your repetition make you a complete and perfect person. And whenever you got chance in front of people, you can speak, and you can express your statement in front of the people. When the people mock at you, you don't fear, because every person is not perfect, and if you want to perfect, then it will take a long time, and you will unable to speak English, and then after you always hesitate. So hesitation is the obstacle of speaking English for doing something new. And if you are trying to do new things, then you can see there are so many obstacles which comes into your way, where you unable to go ahead, go forward into your life. So life is full of problems, and without problems you can't struggle with that thing. So problem is the main thing, critical thing, which learns you lot of things to fight and go ahead from your good future, and if you want to good future, then you must know, and you must know how to fight with problems. So life is permanent, but problem is not permanent, as you know. So it is just like a bubble of water. As you know, the life of bubble of water is only few second or few minutes, then after they have become disappear. And but life is forever, according to. So you are talking and you are thinking about life is not forever. I am talking about the life is forever because of whatever you did, whatever your works, that remember the people, that remember the society. That's why you don't forget to this. So God has given this life for once, and you have chance to create, you have chance to become famous with the good, with the help of good work. So that's why you think positive, because when you start thinking positive, you have power to go ahead. But when who you think negative, so negative has also power, it destroy yourself. So thank you for watching, give me some suggestion, and be continue with me. And now I'm going to wind up this session, and if you like, then subscribe my video. Thank you for watching.